brother?
This is AI.
This is AI, amongst many other things.
AI, no! Look how good that looks. This is a groundbreaking moment. I can't believe we're here for it. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Ever thought about becoming the new Picasso? Imagine having the best artist in the world in your pocket and available to create anything at a moment's notice. Well, you don't have to imagine any longer. Midjourney is here. AI tools have developed drastically in the last few years. A few tools have gone viral. They're being used everywhere, from the classroom to the YouTube studio. Take ChatGPT, for example. I mean, who hasn't at least tried that platform once? Well, we're going to be showing some love to a slightly lesser-known AI tool that might just change your life. It's called Midjourney, and trust me, it's awesome. You don't want to miss a second of this. What is Midjourney? So, what actually is Midjourney? Well, to put it in simple terms, Midjourney is basically a text-to-picture AI service developed by a company called Midjourney. The software enables you to generate images from a few keyboard prompts or a short description. The style of art that it can emulate ranges from abstract and modern to ultra-realistic. As you can probably tell, Midjourney is absolutely awesome and opens up so many doors for creators to enhance whatever it is they might be doing, whether creating YouTube thumbnails, NFTs, or ebook covers. History of Midjourney. Midjourney was founded by some seriously smart cookies. The lead founder is a guy called David Holds, who has previously created viral apps like Lead Motion and even a VR tool. Other members of the team include Jim Keller, who has worked for Apple, Tesla, and Intel, Nat Friedman, the CEO of GitHub, and even Philip Rosedale, who founded Second Life. As you can see, Midjourney has some of the smartest names in the tech game behind it, which is a large reason why this AI tool is so good. The tool itself was released to the public as part of an open beta in July 2022. The model proved successful, and the company was even profitable in August 2022, which is unheard of for a tech startup. How to use Midjourney. By now, you're probably salivating at the thought of everything you could achieve with Midjourney, so let me show you how to use it. Thankfully, it's pretty simple. First, you're going to want to head over to Discord and join Midjourney's channel. Once you've done this, look for a channel named Newbies and click on the channel. From here, you can start writing commands. All you need to do is type imagine and then type whatever you want the image to be of. Let's say you wanted to create an image of a turtle breakdancing on Jupiter. All you need to do is type that in with your command, and boom, 30 seconds later, you'd have a bunch of images to play around with. After you receive your results, you can interact with them. So if you didn't get what you were looking for, you can just create more images. Or you can refine and scale an existing image to match your requirements. This feature alone is life-changing because it means you don't have to think of a bunch of ways to say the same thing to get different image results. After you've created your image, you can save it by opening it in a new browser and clicking Save to Device. Then you're set and can use your image for whatever you feel like. Pretty neat, right? Advantages of using Midjourney over other platforms. So Midjourney is definitely in a competitive AI niche, with the likes of Microsoft also coming up with its own image generator. However, I actually prefer Midjourney over pretty much every other platform for a few key reasons. First of all, Midjourney creates the highest resolution images of any AI image tool on the market. The images are never blurry and come in resolutions of up to 1792 by 1024 pixels, which allows for so much detail. Other AI image generators don't offer this kind of quality. Another winning factor of Midjourney is the fact that the images are actually relevant to your prompts. I don't know if you've ever tried any image generators, but some of them suck. You can type in a well-crafted prompt and receive images that have nothing to do with your parameters. On the other hand, Midjourney actually produces the images that you're after. And hey, even if you didn't get the image of your dreams on the first try, you can just generate more images until you find your perfect match. Midjourney is very easy to use. To be honest, the hardest part is joining the Discord server. Once you're in, it's easy to find the channels you need and start generating images within minutes. Other platforms make it impossible to figure out what's going on. And because it's based on Discord, Midjourney has a thriving online community. This community can help you to use the tool to its full potential, give you prompt ideas when you're struggling to think of any, and give you advice on how to speed up image generation. And when you're bored, you can just scroll through all the channels and see what other people have been creating. Seriously, while I was creating this video, I got sidetracked for like 2 hours just looking through the creations. Oh, and have I mentioned that you can use Midjourney for free? That's right. You can get 25 searches completely on the house when you sign up for Midjourney. After your trial is over, you'll have to upgrade to a premium plan. But I found this plan to be worth the money because you get so many quality of life upgrades like faster processing and better imaging capabilities. And once you get hooked on the free plan, you'll probably sign up for the premium model in a heartbeat. Hey you want to be the coolest geek on the block? Subscribe to our channel about artificial intelligence and impress your friends with all the AI jokes and tech trivia you'll learn from us. Prompt ideas. So the power of Midjourney is only limited by your imagination. But when you actually go to use this platform, you're probably going to be struck by indecision. So here are a few prompt ideas to get the creative juices flowing if you ever decide to use this app. The Reimagine prompt is absolutely awesome. This will allow you to create fresh perspectives on already existing images and can open the doors to some stunning imagery. Trying a future prompt is great too. This prompt will always come up with some spooky images that will leave you thinking. Finally, just use as many adjectives as you can. This might seem obvious, but the more specific you can be, the better your images will turn out. Best Midjourney art examples. So I've scoured the internet, I've been on Discord for hours, and I've found 5 Midjourney art examples that are too cool not to share. First up is a stunning image of a sky full of stars created by user Scorbel. This image looks like a skyline from another planet. It's an awesome example of how creative you can get with Midjourney, as well as how high quality the images look. Just look at that. Another landscape I love is the Crystal Landscape by Adornamency. Again, this image looks extraterrestrial and would make a great setting for a video game. Can you imagine playing a match of Call of Duty, Apex Legends, or Fortnite on this map? Next up is a stunning image by Moldadori. This looks like a city from the year 2050. Perhaps this is how our world will look like with AI helping us evolve. Fourth is High City No. 1 by Lamona42. This image has a Van Gogh vibe, and the reflection of the castle in the water really shows how detailed these images are. And last up is an artwork by Nelly Deal. This image looks like the kind of place you dream of finding as a kid and might just be my next screensaver. Or does it remind you more about the cave from Smeagol from Lord of the Rings? Ultimately, Midjourney is an absolutely awesome platform and blows every other image generator out of the water. It's worth trying just for the fun of it, but the images can also be used for side hustles and projects to take your digital projects and services to the next level. Attention humans! If you're ready to embrace our future AI overlords, then hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and join our channel. We promise to keep you entertained with hilarious AI fails, robot dance-offs, and much more. And remember, stay artificially awesome.